Hello mga mommies! Welcome to my vlogs. Vlogs, whatever. I am Mommy Emmy, ang inyong bagong financial advisor pagdating sa utang. For this video, I'm going to share with you kung paano nga ba nag-increase ang credit limit ko kay juanhand na walang halaga. In just 5 months, sa amount na 18,200, paano nga ba ako nakaabot sa ganung amount? They already posted that they already complete the following information to increase loan limit. So, juanhand suggests that the secret of adjusting your credit limit is to simply provide your additional information such as business account, pag-ibig account, pag-ibig, and a PhilHealth account, and your credit card. So, like, when it comes to personal information, why would I trust them, my account? That's my personal account. Then why would I share them? With just worth 2,000 pesos of increase, i-risk ko yung account ko for them? So, for the safest form that you need to do is to pay online rather than giving your personal account to them. Siguro, yun, mas secure siya rather than risking your account. My first cash loan, that was May 2023. So, it is only 5,000 pesos. And the maturity I choose is only 1 month lang para small interest lang siya. So, the interest is 3.42%. And that is 171 pesos. But, it depends upon on your budget kung kaya mo siya bayaran within. And the second month, when I already paid it, kasi once binayaran mo siya in advance, they will increase your credit limit. On June 2, 2023, I already get the 8,000 pesos. Saan ko ba 8,000 with an interest of 7.73%. And that is 618 pesos in a month. So meaning, the higher the amount, of course, the higher the interest you get. So, it shows here that your credit limit from 5,000 pesos, it increases and 10,000 pesos. So, in a month. So, no need for you to ask the increase of your credit limit, di ba? Kasi automatically, they will increase your credit limit if you are a good payer. And the third time, after I paid the 8,618 in advance, they already increased my credit limit to 100,000 na lang siya. So, siguro isip-isip ni juanhand, namumuro ka na akala mo aabot ka kaagad sa 25,000 na credit limit. So, I was shocked. 1,000 na lang yung increase. But, it's good, it's better. And because palaki siya ng palaki, so I decided to cut it into 2 months. May choices na kasi sila na 2 months, either 2 months or 3 months. Now, question, are we allowed to get a loan even if I already have a cash loan? The answer is yes, of course. I'm going to show you my proof of many times I owe to them. And also, these are my cash loan history. As my proof that I already settled it lang, let's move on. This time, I'm gonna show you how it appears right away, your credit limit when you pay using your GCash account for you to add a more of loan. Na-open mo na yung juanhand account. Go to the bill. So, as you can see, I already have 3 accounts there. So, diba? Meaning, proud po ako na marami akong it's 3 accounts. Yes, 3. Then, the due date here is October 31, 2023. But today is October 24, 2023. So, I paid it in advance para walang reason si juanhand to harass me. Since yan yung unang mag-due, so one at a time muna tayo this time. So, let's copy the contract number. Then after that, let's visit your GCash account. Then let's click the bill. So may makikita kayong loans there. Then search SkyPay. So as an accredited merchants from GCash. Then put the total amount of your utang. So, diba? We already copied the contract number. Then put the number and of course, your email. Then click the button. Pay only the bills. So, wala nang insurance. Then that's it. We're done. Save the receipt for future proof of payments. Then let's visit juanhand account. Let's check if they already clear your accounts. At kung meron ulit tayong credit limit. So then it has a 4,279 there. So if you would want to get that, then it's up to you. It's up to me. As of now, my goal is to pay more of my utang than before I get another one. That's easy. Kasi good record naman ako. So, diba? I can avail more of money. Avail more of cash flow. Yun lamang po mga kapatid sa pananampalatayang maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.